Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start right now by powering down and opening the case to inspect dust and cable placement. This matters because restricted airflow raises core temperature fast. Once done, boot and install monitoring software so you can measure baseline temps while you proceed. Make sure drivers are up to date to avoid unwanted GPU load. While the system is off, reorient cables and fans to establish front/bottom intake and top/rear exhaust. This creates consistent, predictable airflow that lowers GPU heat. You now focus on deeper cooling. Use compressed air to clean heatsinks and fans, and consider replacing thermal paste if it's older than 2 years because dried paste loses conductivity. Then, tweak software settings. Set a progressive fan curve and reduce power limit by 5 to 15% to drop heat while retaining performance. You can also undervolt in small steps to find stability. Finally, add or upgrade case fans to increase CFM and reposition them to strengthen directed airflow across the GPU. You finish by validating your changes. Run a stress test while logging temps and fan RPMs to confirm the GPU stays within your target range, ideally 10 to 20 degrees Celsius below the original peak. If temps remain high, consider an aftermarket heatsink, blower replacement, or custom water cooling for significant gains. Make sure to monitor VRM temperatures too, because those affect stability. If things go wrong, recheck fan orientation, reseat the GPU, and revert recent tweaks until you isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.